feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Writing realistic dialogue involves understanding how people speak in real life and then refining it to serve your narrative. Listen to real conversations to get a sense of rhythm and idiosyncrasies. People rarely speak in complete sentences, often interrupt each other, and use colloquialisms. However, your dialogue shouldn't mimic real speech exactly. It should be a polished version that advances the story or deepens characters. Read dialogue aloud to ensure it sounds natural. Lastly, ensure characters have distinct voices reflecting their backgrounds and personalities, which makes them believable to your audience.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.